In 2025, the drone market is buzzing with innovation. First up, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, a powerhouse for professional cinematography. With its triple-lens camera and 5.1K video recording, it's perfect for high-end content creators, boasting an impressive 46 minutes of flight time. Next, we have the DJI Air 3S, designed for enthusiasts who crave quality without the bulk. Its dual-camera setup captures stunning 4K footage, even in low light, all while providing comprehensive obstacle avoidance. For travelers, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is a game-changer. Weighing under 249 grams, it's portable and exempt from registration, yet delivers 4K 60 HDR video and full 360-degree obstacle avoidance. FPV lovers will appreciate the DJI Avata 2, offering a compact design and user-friendly controls for immersive flying experiences. Finally, the Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus stands out with its long-range capabilities and 6K video quality, making it a formidable alternative to DJI. Each of these drones caters to different needs, ensuring there's something for everyone in 2025.